Hi there. Uh, One of my friend is traveling, and he just asked me, if I could help him with the Google Maps. And I looked around on YouTube and couldn't find anything that was, easy, and it was all a lot of things there. So I'm just making this video so any traveler in the world with Google Maps, iPhone users can really use this to find their way. So open your iPhone and you'll find an app store there. On the app store, once you click, then you look for Google Maps and you'll find a Google Map. Just download that. Once that comes in your screen, just press that and you get into this particular uh, thing. And there you can write whatever you want. Like, for example, you can write restaurant to find out around your area whatever restaurant is around, or you can find attractions or anything like so. Actually, it'll then show you the direction from where you are to that place, so you get variety of whatever you think, and you can see reviews to see people's how they have rated the place, if there have been anything. So reviews are very powerful these days. So once you click that, so it'll show you exactly 3 minutes, like in this case, to get in a car. If you walk, it's going to take 11 minutes to reach that destination, and that's it. uh, Besides that, you can also look for other things like, let's say, for example, you want to find a dentist. Just write dentist there, and then you'll find that. Or you want to find a nation, where you go Portugal, and you find the Portugal as a country. If you're leaving to Portugal, you can actually download the map before you leave, so that even if you are offline, you can actually. So to do that, you just go to Portugal. Just yeah, that's an overview. Actually, it also gives you that green thing you're seeing is the traffic, which is very helpful when you're traveling. So Portugal, you can see all the happenings there, whatever is the so people who review that put in there, so you can find that there as well and explore it yourself as well. So yeah, and of course the attractions, I mean, like the things to do, everything is there. And where you look at, like, let's say you're there already, and then, as I said, download offline map. You can download the particular, like, Portugal offline map, so whenever you are not in online, also you would be able to access the offline map fully. I mean, everything comes in there. So that's a very handy thing. So you can download and it stays there. And when you go to Portugal, particular region, it'll work offline for that particular region. So fantastic thing here for travelers without online as well. And as I said earlier, you can even find a dentist or anybody, anything you're looking at. You just type in there, and you can see uh, what's happening uh, around, to food, to stay, to everything, to hotels, to everything, and with the price as well at times. So it's a good, very good tool. I highly recommend it to be used during every travel, to be completely independent. But when you're traveling, even in a Uber or things like that, you can actually locate the blue dot where exactly you are, and be feel safe. It also helps in making you feel that. And you can also share, you can contribute, you can take photographs and all that, do review of the places, you can contribute, and see other people's contributions around the area. And it's very, very handy. You can even have your business listed as well and maintain that as well. So that was pretty cool, wasn't it? All you need to do is just type two things, whatever you're looking for, and it's just going to come there. And with an offline map, even when you don't have any internet, you can actually browse. You can go through, or even if you're in Uber, things like that, you can actually see where you are by just going in there, and the blue dot will actually show you exactly which location you are. So you feel safe all the time. At the same time, even I've tried, even in the airplane at times, where there is no navigation shown anywhere, so where exactly you are, you can just put it on, and GPS will tell you exactly where are you. It may take a little while, but it does give at times. I've used that, so it's a great tool, and just use that and see the reviews. You can follow me if you want in Google reviews, as well as on this YouTube channel, and have a great holiday. Cheers.